Hello, in this video lecture, we are going to solve examples based on the concept of ratio, proportion, and variation. And the objective is only to make you more comfortable in application of the concept of ratio, proportion, and variation. So let's start with the questions. Now see this question. Here it is A is to B, 3 is to 4. A is to B, 3 is to 4. And B is to C, 5 is to 2. So we have formula this into this, this into this, this into this. So here 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 5, 20, 4 to 8, and no factors come. Directly you can calculate it. Now see, next. The next is find A is to B is to C is to D is to E. If A is to B, 2 is to 3, C is to B, 5 is to 4, D is to C, 2 is to 7, D is to E, 2 is to 3. So look here. Here, A is to B is 2 is to 3. And here it is C is to B. So make it B is to C. So this is 4 is to 5. D is to C. So it is C is to D. 7 is to 2. And here D is to E. So no problem. D is to E. It is 2 is to 3. And now you know formula. B, B, C, these previous ratios consequent is same to the next antecedent of the ratio. So like here, formula is 2 4 ja 2 into 4 into 7 into 2. So 2 into 4 into 7 into 2. Then 3 into 4 into 7 into 2. 3 into 4 into 7 into 2. And then 3 into 5 into 7 into 2. And 3, 5, 2 into 2. And then 3, 5, 2, 3. 3, 5, 2, 3. Okay, so make it simple. This is your direct answer. So 2 4 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56, 56 2 ja. Look here, is there any factor common? It is 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then 3, but here 3, here 3, here is not 3. So, okay, 2 4 ja 8. And here is 7, 7, but no 7. Okay, so answer is 2 4 ja 8, 7 ja 56. 3 4 ja 12, 7 ja 84. 3 5 ja 15, 7 ja 105. And 3 5 ja 15, 2 ja 30. And finally 3 5 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. This is your answer. So you can do it directly. You know how simple it is. Now see this. A is to B. Okay, this is like A is to B. In this question, A is to B, B is to C, C is to D, D is to E given. So here it's same. But here you have to find A is to E. A is to E. So if it is A is to B, then B is to C, C is to D, D is to D. Then A is to E means A upon E is 1 into 3 into 5 into 7. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 directly. You can multiply all the antecedent of the ratios over all the consequent इसका प्रोडक्ट मीन्स 2 into 4 into 6 into 8. So now is it 3, 2 are 6, 5 and 5, 7, 35. And below 2, 4 are 8, 8, 2 are 16, 16 into 8. Okay, 16 is 1 to 8. So this is 35 and 1 to 8 is your answer. Now see here, so now if you are comfortable with the formula, then you can do this directly. Like BB, CC, DD, EE, F, these are same. So, okay, we can do it directly. Like A is to B is to C is to D is to E is to F is to G. So first this into this into this into this into this into this means 1 into 3 into 5 into 2. So 1, 3, 5, 2, 2, 1. Okay. And then 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 1. So it is 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 1. And now 2, 4, 2 into 4 into 5 into 2 to 1 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. And now 2, 4, 6 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2, 4, 6, and then 2 into 2 into 1. After this, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, and then 2 into 1. After this, 2, 4, 6, 1, and 1. So this is 2, 4, 6, 3, 1 into 1. And after this, 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 3. So 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 3. 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 3. So now you can do it. Okay. So look here, any factor common. So this 2 is present in all factors here, 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 here. Okay. So only see this in this row. Here it is 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 common. देख लें कुछ और तो कॉमन नहीं. लाइक दिस 2, एक ये 2 ये 2 है, तो बाकी तो फिर हर जगह हुआ है कि 2. दिस 2, दिस 2, दिस 2, दिस 2, दिस एंड यहाँ पे 2 जा हो जाएगा. एंड एक ये का 2 जा हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे 2 खत्म हो गया तो 2 का फिर आगे 3, 5, 3, 5, नो 5, 3, 5, नो. ओके. सो आई थिंक ये अगर हम देख के आंसर दे सकते हैं. 1 3 जा 3, 3 5 जा 15, 3 5 जा 15, 2 जा 30, 4 5 जा 20, 22 जा 40, 4 6 जा 24, 24 2 जा 48, 4 6 जा 24, 3 जा 72, 2 6 जा 12, 3 जा 36, 2 6 जा 12, 3 जा 36, 3 जा 108. This is your answer. If the antecedent in the inverse ratio of 5 and 1 by 4 is to 2 and 1 by 3, it's 63. Find the consequent. So here ratio is given 5 and 1 by 4. 5 and 1 by 4 is 21 by 4 is to 2 and 1 by 3. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Let's simplify it. uh, 21 into 3 is to 4 is to 7. So 7 threes are, it is 9 is to 4. This after simplification is 9 is to 4. So now the inverse ratio. So inverse ratio of 9 is to 4 is 1 upon 9 is to 1 upon 4, means it is 4 is to 9. And it was given if the antecedent in the inverse ratio of this is 63. So 4 is to 9. 4 is to 9 is the inverse ratio of this. Its antecedent is 63 and the consequent is x. So x is to be find out. So what is x? X will be 63 into 9 by 4. This is your answer. Next question. If A is to B, 3 is to 5. B is to C, 5 is to 4. C is to D, is 2 is to 3. And D is 50% more than E. D is 50% more than E. So if E is 100, this is 150, means 15 0 cancel, 5 3 ja. So D is to E is 3 is to 2. When you find the ratio between A and E. So you already know for this 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 over 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel, and here 5 5 cancel. It is 3 by 4. This is answer. If root 2 is to 1 plus root 3 equal to root 6 is to root p, then p is. So here root 2 1 plus root 3 is equal to root 6 upon p. So root 2, it is root 3, and now p is root 3 1 plus root 3. So this is your answer. If A is to B 2 is to 3, A is to B 2 is to 3, then find 5A plus B is to 3A plus 2B. So if A is to B is 2 is to 3, then you can take A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Simply put here, A 2x plus B is 3x. 3 is 2x plus 2b is 3x, x cancel. So 5 to the 10 plus 3 13, 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6 6 6 12. This is your answer. If a is to 3 is equal to b is to 4 equal to c is to 5, then a plus b plus c is to b is to be find out. Okay. Here a upon 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 5. And here you are finding a plus b plus c Okay. So it is, you know, let this is equal to k. It means a by 3 is equal to a k. So a is 3k, b is 4k, c is 5k. Now a plus b plus c. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12k over b is 5, 4k, k cancel, 4 3 are. So answer is 3. There are some fruits and nuts in a ratio 3 is to 14. If 5 fruits are eaten, then the ratio will become 1 is to 8. Then the number of nuts. So look here. There are some fruits and nuts. There are some fruits and nuts. So it means F is to N is 3 is to 14. So you can take F is equal to 3x and nuts 14x. 5 fruits are eaten. So 3x minus 5 and nuts remain same. It is 14x is equal to 1 is to 8. So simple 8 3 is a cross multiplication. 8 3 is 24x minus 40 is equal to 14x. 24 minus 40, 10x is equal to 40. X is equal to 8. Now question, find the number of nuts. So number of nuts 14x. So therefore n is equal to 14 into x is 4. So 14 4 the answer is 56. Number of nuts 56. This is your answer. Three numbers are in a ratio 2 is to p is to 5. The third number is greater than the first one by 21. Find the value of p if sum of the number is 70. The 2 is to p is to 5. Ratio of three numbers. Okay. First, second, third. Third number is, so first is here, you can take 2k. Second number, you can say pk. And third number is 5k. Third number is greater than the first, so 5k minus 2k is 21. So it is 3k is equal to 21. So k is 7. K is 7. So it means the sum of the number is 70. The sum is 2k plus 5k, 7k, sum is 7k plus pk. Sum is given 70 and this is k 7 plus p and k is already 7. So 7 10 to 10, 7 plus p means p is equal to 3. This is your answer. The ratio of ages of Sam, Anu, Janu, so is 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 9, respectively. The eldest is 24 years older than the youngest. What is the age of Janu 18 years from now? So Sam, Anu, Janu. So the ratio is 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 9. So, okay, here the eldest is Sus, youngest is Jan. Okay, so here it is Sus, you can take 9k and Janu You can take, so 3K. So here it is given the eldest is 24-year older. It means 9K minus 3K is 54. So it is 6K. 24K is equal to 4. K is 4. So now the question is, what is the age of Janu after 18 years? So right now Janu is 3K, means Janu is 3 into 4. It is present age after 18 years. That's that. So 3, 4, 12 plus 18 is equal to 30 years. This is your answer. The ratio of the number of 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins with the richer is 7 is to 10. If the value of 50 paisa coins is rupee 280, then what is the number of 1 rupee coins with richer? Look here, the ratio of the number of 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins, this ratio is given 7 is to 10. Okay, and the value of 50 paisa value is given 280 rupees of this 50 paisa coins. So look here, it means, so if there are N1 50 paisa coins and N2 1 rupee coins. So N1 it's going to be, it's a ratio of the number is given. So N1 is 7K and N2 is 10K. Okay. And now it is given that 280 is the value of 50 paisa coins. So 7K, 50 पैसा 7K है तो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी इसकी 7K इंटू 1/2 rupees. 1/2 rupees. Is it okay? Because in a 150 paisa coin is equal to 1/2 rupees. So 7K 50 paisa coins value होगी 7K into 1/2 rupees equal. And this is given equal to 280. So 7K by 2 is 280. It is 40. So K is equal to 80. Now the question, what is the number of 1 rupee coin? And number of 1 rupees coin is simply 10K. So N 10 into 80 means N2 is 800. This is your answer. If two alloys, the ratio of iron and copper is 4 is to 3 and 6 is to 1. Suppose this is alloy 1 and it is alloy. Here iron and copper. Here also it is amalgamation of iron and copper. The ratio is here iron is to copper is given 4 is to 3. And in this case, iron and copper ratio is given 6 is to 1. Okay, if 14 kg of the first alloy, 14 kg of first alloy and 42 kg of second alloy are mixed together to form a new alloy, then what will be the ratio of copper to iron? Copper to iron का ratio पूछा गया. So copper will come from the first and second. In first 14 kg, the copper will be 3/7. Ratio is iron is to copper 4 is to 3. So here the copper will be 3 upon sum of the ratio 3/7 of the 14 and plus. Here the copper will be 42 into 1/7 over iron 14 into 4/7 and here it is 42 into 6/7. So 7 twos are 7 6 ja, 2 3 ja 6 plus 6 12 over 7 2 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 6 ja 2 4 ja 8 and 36 44. So this is 4 3 ja 4 11. So the ratio is going to be 3 is to 11 in this new alloy. This is your answer. So here in this question, answer will be none of this. Distance covered by a train is directly proportional to the time. Directly proportional to the time. Okay. And also it varies directly as the square root of fuel used and varies inversely as the number of wagon attached to it. So here the distance is directly proportional to the time. Distance is directly proportional to the square root of the fuel used. Okay. And distance is inversely proportional to the number of wagons attached to. So the mix variation is like D is equal to constant T is square root of F upon N. Correct? So now this is a important formula. This question is based on variation. The concept हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था. So now see. First equation is given that a train covers 192 kilometers. Okay. Constant is K. In T hours, 20 hours. 256 liter. So 256 liters. Number of wagonettes 10. Find the consumption of the fuel per kilometer when a train goes 200 kilometers. So second equation is 200 kilometers. This is a constant. In 25 hours, in 25 hours, fuel consumed, you do not know, suppose it is F, and number of wagon attached, 15. So if I divide it, this is, and this is equal to, then this cancel, this K cancel, hours cancel, and this is 5 5 5 3 and here it is 10 2, and this is 5 40. So this finally becomes 192 upon 40 is equal to 3 2 into 3, and this is equal to 16 square root of 256 plus upon. So now 16 1 ja 16 and 16 2 ja 32, and this is 3 2 6, so it is 2 and 2, and this is 20. So root F is square root F is 20. So F is going to 400 liters. So now 400 liter diesel used to cover distance 200 kilometers. So for 200 kilometer, you consumed 400 liter fuels. So question ये है fuel per kilometer. So 400 upon 200 liter per kilometer. Answer is 2 liters per kilometer. This is answer is B.